Hello friends, this is your physics Seetha ma'am. NEET series day 3. So we'll start with 11th question. In an experiment, four quantities A, B, C and D are measured with percentage error 1%, 2%, 3% and 4% respectively. Quantity P is calculated as follows. Formula is given. A cube P is equals to A cube B square by CD percentage. Error in P is what? So, this is from propagation of error. So, from that they have given the formula, that is P is equals to A cube B square by CD percentage. Therefore, we can take this P can be taken as del P by P, which is into 100 because it mentions percentage, right? So into 100, which is equals to A cube. A cube can be written as 3 del A by A plus B square can be taken as 2 del B by B plus C can be taken as del C by C plus D can be taken as del D by D into, for the total cases I am taking 100 into 100, which gives 3 del A by A into 100 plus 2 del B by B into 100 plus del C by C into 100 plus del D by D into 100. Yes, because del A by A, this can be written as 1% into 100. It mentions percent, right? So we can take it directly. 3 into 1 del A by A, that is 1. B, for B is 2%, for C is 3%, for D is 4%. So plus 2 into, what if in the case of B? 2 plus 3 into, that is this one, C. In the case of C, directly we are taking it as 3 because del C by C, nothing was mentioned here, cube square. So directly del C can be taken as 3 because 3% it mentions here, right? Plus, what about this del D by D into 100? That is del D by D. It also nothing mentioned. So directly I am taking the value 4% here. So if you calculate, 3 ones are 3, 2 twos are 4 plus, that's 3 plus 4. So we will be getting the answer. 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. 14% you are getting the answer. Please check the options whether you have the answer. Yes, 14%, 10%, 7%, 4%. When you calculate by using this formula, we will be getting the 14%. So it's nothing but A option. A option is correct. So use this formula directly and substitute. If they mention for C square or C cube anything means, you should write here. That is, if it is C square means 2 del C by C into 100. That means when you substitute, 2 into 3 will come. If nothing was mentioned here, directly you can take the answer and solve it. Yes. Next question. Next question is, if force F, length L and time T be considered fundamental units, then the units of mass will be. So we are going to find out what is the mass for this. So we are taking that mass is directly proportional to this. What is mass? Force is equals to mass into acceleration, right? Force is equals to mass into acceleration. Yeah, we are going to find what is mass from this because they are asking in the question what is mass. So I am going to take the formula. Mass is equals to force by acceleration. Mass is equals to force by acceleration. So we should know what is force. So force, in this question if force is F, directly we are taking F means yes, F. What about force can be taken as directly F as per the question. And what is acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but length by time square. That is, we can take velocity by time, right? Length by time square. How can we take this length by time square? Means we are going to take the acceleration. Acceleration is equals to velocity by time. Velocity by time can be taken as, what is velocity? Velocity is nothing but displacement by time. Yes. Into another time is there. So that I took displacement is nothing but length by time means t square. So shall we substitute directly? Yes. F by L. This will come up, right? So F by L, that means force per length time. So what if in the case of mass we are taking? Mass equals to so much. So mass force by LT minus 2. So M is equals to, now we can take F, L inverse, length inverse and time square, because this is in denominator. So I mentioned it is in numerator minus 1. If this is t minus 2 is in denominator, if I mentions in numerator, that will be plus 2, right? So that I am taking like this. Check it in the option whether you are getting the answer in this. Yes. Force length, and this is time inverse 2. No, this is actually force length inverse time square. Yeah, we have the C option. Same what we have the answer. Yes. Friends, please remember force equal to mass into acceleration. So mass only we are going to find, because in question they are asking units of mass will be mass equal to force by acceleration. What is acceleration? Velocity by time. What is velocity? Displacement by time. Displacement by time into another time is there. So displacement can be measured by length and time is t square. 2 times of time is there. Substitute this value here. So length by time square can be taken as length time. This is in denominator. So I am taking here, that is t power minus 2. So substitute, we will get the answer. So this is how we can able to easily find out this. Yes. 13th question. What is the 13th question? Which of the following quantities has units but not dimensions? Which of the following quantities has units but not dimensions? Yeah, please check it. Displacement. Displacement is nothing but we are taking that velocity, that is acceleration. Velocity equal to displacement by time. In last question we have taken. So some dimensions would be there for this. Check the second. Angle. Angle can be written as arc by radius. Arc by radius. Length by length. We can able to measure length by length. So if you cancel length by length, it is dimensionless. It is dimensionless. So easily we can calculate it is dimensionless. They are telling which of the following quantities has units. Yes, units but not dimension, because this unit of angle is radian. Unit of angle is radian. If you check it, angle unit is radian but not dimensionless, because length by length get cancelled, it is dimensionless. So easily we can just mark angle is the answer for this. Yes. Next question, 14th question. So in this 14th question, Pascal second has the dimensions of what? Pascal second has the dimension of what? Pascal is a unit of pressure. Pascal is the unit of pressure. So if you see that pressure, so what we will get, if Pascal is a unit of pressure, right? So in this, what is the dimensional formula for the pressure? We know the formula for pressure. Pressure is equals to force by area. Pressure is equals to force by area. Force can be written as, in last question we saw that mass into acceleration by area. Yes. This is equals to, this will be equal to, what is mass into acceleration in last question we saw? In this last 12th question we saw that mass into acceleration, that is force is equals to mass into acceleration. What is for mass into acceleration? Acceleration we know. What is the acceleration answer we got? L by t square. Yes, because how we got acceleration is equals to velocity by time, that is equals to displacement by time into the time, which gives L by t square. Yes, we'll just take it. And if in the case of mass into acceleration means mass is m, acceleration is, we have, this is Lt power minus 2. So I am writing here Lt power minus 2 by area. Area is meter square. When you see the dimensional formula, that is L square. Yes. So shall we cancel this length and this length? One length and one length will get cancelled. So remaining the answer would be m t minus 2 by length. One length would be there. So which is equals to, we can take this as m L inverse 1 t inverse 2. Yes. By, in the case of second, Pascal per second, right? So if you mention per second, second is nothing but time, t. So if you cancel 1t, what we will get the answer? M L inverse 1. M L inverse 1, and the case of time, one time will go off, right? Yes. So what would be the final answer for this? M L inverse 1 T inverse 1. This is the dimensional formula of Pascal second. So this is the dimensional formula of Pascal second, means dimensional formula for Pascal second. So easily we can just tell this is the answer. So what is the answer for this? What we find for this is pressure. Yes. From this, from the formula of coefficient of viscosity, we have, because we are going to find whether viscosity is there or not in this. So I am going to just check it whether we have viscosity. Check it. Eta is equals to F by A del V by del Z. So F is a force. F is force in this. What is the A? A is area. That is del V by del Z is velocity gradient. Del V by del Z is velocity gradient. So therefore, dimension of eta, that is equals to ml t power minus 2 by, what is the area? Area is meter square, that we will take in dimensional formula as length square, that is L, and del V by del Z can be taken as L t power minus 1 by L. So when you substitute, when you cancel everything, we will get m L power minus 1 t power minus 1. So hence Pascal second has dimensions of coefficient of viscosity. Hence Pascal second has dimensions of coefficient of viscosity. So we just check it whether we are getting the pressure. Pascal is unit of pressure. Hence dimensional formula. Pascal is unit of pressure. Hence dimensional formula m L power minus 1 t power minus 1. From the formula of this we are getting. So dimensional formula in this. So which answer will be taking place for this? Just check it. This is force, energy, pressure, coefficient of viscosity. Yes. So in the option, first option is given as force, second is given as energy, third is given as pressure, and fourth is a coefficient of viscosity, that is eta. So force can be written as ml t power minus 2 is a dimensional formula, and energy can be taken as ml square t power minus 2. And for pressure, what we found for pressure, this is m L inverse 1 t power minus 2. If you take the time by this only, we are getting the answer, pascals per second. So this answer will be taken for the eta, that is coefficient of viscosity. What is the final answer we are taking for this is m L power minus 1 t power minus 1. So check it. Yes, we have the Pascal second has the dimensions of coefficient of viscosity. Coefficient of viscosity. So D is the perfect answer for the 14th question. Yes. Then last question. The physical quantity which does not have the same dimensions on the other three is. If you see that spring constant, surface tension, surface energy, and the acceleration of due to gravity. In this, if you check it, this spring constant, surface tension, surface energy has the same dimension, that is m L naught t power minus 2. But acceleration due to gravity, this acceleration due to gravity, which is acceleration is equals to velocity by time, So velocity is displacement by time, time into time. Yes, yes, time into time. So which can be written as, which is equals to, we can take this dimension. Displacement is nothing but length, time, t power minus 2. Yeah. Physical quantity which does not have the same dimension as the other three. Obviously, this acceleration due to gravity is the having the different dimension, because spring constant, surface tension, surface energy has same dimension, m L naught t power minus 2. But in the case of acceleration due to gravity, it has a different dimension. So we are getting this D answer. Thank you friends. I hope you all understood this. In next video, I just make remaining 5 questions. Thank you.